Receiving flowers is one of my favorite things. I will gladly accept all my flowers. I think receiving flowers is one of the sweetest ways for you to know that someone cares about you. What's not sweet is having nothing to put them in. So I'm fixing that today. I found this really cute vase, but it's like a little character. And I hope after today's assignment, I can fix that. So this is what I'm thinking. I know that this vase already has a unique shape, but I want to add more. I'm going to use a hot glue gun, and I'm going to make different shaped bubbles all throughout the vase surface. And then afterwards, I'm going to spray a gradient all over it, and it's going to be great. I'm using the hot glue gun to make little dots around the vase. I thought this would be real cool to add texture and character without having to go crazy on a budget. I let this vase cure overnight simply because I did apply a G50 adhesive around the bubbles because I realized it's hot glue. It's gonna pop off if you handle it a lot, but this glue will secure it even more. Now that this is dry, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna spray paint this. But I do wanna let you know that it's 17 degrees. So don't say I never did anything for you. When you're doing this, please wear your gloves. And this is all that I have right now. So this is before. Has all the cute little dots. Is this recording? Can't tell. Cool. Now I'm gonna blow dry her. I'm gonna be using Mr. Hobby Premium Top Coat. This is originally made for toys, but I really love the high gloss and the protection of the paint. I do recommend you open up your windows, you put on your purifiers, and for an added layer of protection, I would wear a mask. Hold on. I'm not trying to take this up. Judge me right now, okay? It's morning time. Make sure that you're putting on gloves. I'm gonna apply Mr. Lobby. Okay, now that I'm done spraying, I'm gonna let this sit for 3 hours and see what it looks like and if it needs more drying time. I got all the time today. Here she is. She is exactly what I wanted in terms of high gloss, texture. There are some like splatters from the spray paint, but I said character, so character. That is it for my homework. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you at my next assignment. Oh my God, was that outro cute?